Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jacob from Larchmere Imports in Cleveland, coming to you today to talk to you about some wonderful things that we have going on. We have, over the last couple of weeks, implemented a pickup and drop-off service. We'll come to you, pick up your car, service it, and bring it back. Also, in addition to that, we're doing touchless drop-off service. Simply pull up in the driveway, leave your keys in the car, and we'll come out and take care of the rest. We're doing all the service requests and payments over the phone so that you don't have to come in contact with folks, so that we can all do our part and help limit the spread of COVID-19. We are here Monday through Thursday from 8 to 6 and 7 to 5 on Fridays, and continue to plan and keep that schedule over the course of the next coming several weeks. We want to make sure that folks have reliable transportation. We have also implemented a 20% blanket discount on all of our repair orders. We know that times are tough for everybody right now, and we certainly want to do our best to make sure that you can maintain your automobiles during this time. Give us a call here at the Cleveland location, 216-229-8000, or 440-591-5488 is going to get you over to Chagrin Falls. Thanks.